What's up guys, your Biglee here. When it comes to your back muscle development, we always incorporate rowing and pulling movements to develop it, but every muscle has 360 degrees. Your back works well even during the lateral pulls, which could be incorporated by a pullover movement. Today I'm going to teach you pullovers using rope handles on a cable machine. Let's get started. So I make myself in a position where I'm away from the machine. I bend forward to a 45-degree angle where my arm is fully extended and the weights are lifted off. So there is already stress placed on my outer lat in the completely stretched position. Now I try to push the weights straight down. If you see, I'm not trying to pull it in my regular angle, but straight down. So when I do this, my lats alone are getting stretched, and now from this portion I cannot push my arm any further. My range of motion is done. From this place I try to pull it close to the body. When I do that, I'm able to work on the muscles of the lower back, which we call the Christmas tree. So we are doing two jobs with one move. Straight pull, contract, straight pull and contract. Straight pull and contract, straight pull and contract, straight pull and contract. I like to do this movement with moderate weights, which keep my workout challenging at 12 to 15 rep range. And this is an amazing way to finish your back workout because you're putting your lats in complete stretch and you're hitting your lower back Christmas tree as well. Until the next workout video, it's your Biglee, over and out.